Okay, it is starting to stick. It's starting to stick, and I might have some possibilities of some snowflake formations. So we will take a look. Whoops. Sorry, my finger was in the way. They are coming down in very big clusters. Oh my goodness, good bunches. All right, so let's see a close-up. Here come the snowflakes. Alrighty, I am out here and it started to collect. I didn't think it would, but it is getting colder as the night goes on. And let's see. It is melting fast, and I am getting like soaking wet because they're just coming down in big bunches. Let's see if we have anything. No, just a soupy, icy, very strange consistency. Maybe if it continues to snow and it gets colder, we may find some formations. But as it stands right now, I don't see much. Sometimes I look back in the video though and I'm like, oh, there was one, you know? Kind of. I mean, look at those edges. Watery. What do you think? Oh, there's kinda pieces. You can see the branches. Well, I think that's it. I may or may not come out tonight, depending on how I feel. And if I don't, then have a happy Easter. And I'm not sure if I'll post this in time, but have a great weekend. Okay? Take care. Bye.